Hi everyone. We are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Lost in the Web Jungle. This topic dives deep into the complexities of navigating the vast expanse of the internet, offering insights and tips to make your online experience more manageable and enjoyable. Ever feel lost in a sea of websites? Yeah, me too. It's like every click leads you further into a maze of information, ads, and distractions. One moment you're focused, and the next you're drowning in a flood of open tabs and pop-ups. One minute I'm looking for a recipe for banana bread, trying to find the perfect blend of ingredients to impress my friends and family, and the next I'm watching a cat video from 2008. Sound familiar? The internet is huge. It can be overwhelming. But don't worry, it's not just you. Many people find themselves sidetracked by the endless stream of content available online. You don't have to be a tech whiz to find your way around. With a few simple tricks, you can become a master of the web. It's all about knowing where to look and how to filter out the noise. With a few simple tricks, you can become a master of the web. For instance, using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Learning how to use search engines effectively can help you find exactly what you're looking for without getting lost in irrelevant results.
Yeah, totally. And don't forget about the importance of setting boundaries. It's easy to get sucked into the digital world, but taking breaks and setting time limits can help you stay focused and productive. It's like being in a jungle, where every path looks the same, and it's easy to get lost. But with a little guidance, we can find our way out. Just like a map or a compass can help you navigate through a dense forest, having the right tools and knowledge can help you make sense of the web. So take a deep breath, stay calm, and remember that you're not alone in this digital jungle. Together, we can conquer it.
Become a web warrior, your quest for online mastery. This journey is not just about learning, it's about transforming yourself into a digital expert. We're going on a quest to master the vast and intricate world of the internet. Imagine yourself as an explorer charting unknown territories. Our goal? To become internet ninjas, swift, efficient, and knowledgeable. We will learn the skills to navigate the web with precision and confidence. Okay, maybe not ninjas, but close enough. We will be adept and savvy, ready to tackle any online challenge that comes our way. We're going to learn how to navigate the web like pros. From understanding search engines to mastering social media, we will cover it all. No more getting lost in the digital jungle, no more endless scrolling. We will develop strategies to find information quickly and efficiently. We're going to find exactly what we need, when we need it. Ready? Let's go. Together we will conquer the digital landscape.
Yeah, let's do this. With determination and the right tools, we will become masters of the online world. Time to become web warriors and conquer the internet. Let's embark on this exciting journey and unlock the full potential of the web.
If you're looking to boost your tech skills, be sure to like, share, hit, subscribe. Tip number 1, sharpen your search swords. Keywords are key. Imagine you're looking for a specific book in a library. You wouldn't just wander around aimlessly, right? You'd use keywords to find it. The same goes for the internet. Instead of typing a whole sentence into Google, use specific words. For example, instead of "how do I make chocolate chip cookies," try chocolate chip cookie recipe. See? Much better.
Tip number 2, tame the browser beast. Bookmarks and tabs are your allies. Ever have a million tabs open and forget what you were even looking for? It can be overwhelming, right? Yeah, we've all been there. It's a common struggle in our digital age. That's where bookmarks and tabs come in handy. They are your secret weapons for a more organized browsing experience. Think of bookmarks like saving a website to your favorites. It's like creating a personalized library of your most visited sites. Find something you like? Bookmark it. This way, you can easily return to it without having to search all over again. Tabs are great for keeping track of multiple pages. They allow you to multitask efficiently without losing your place. You can even organize your tabs by dragging and dropping them into a logical order. This helps in keeping your workflow smooth. There are also browser extensions that can help you manage your tabs better, grouping them by category or project. Use them wisely and you'll be a browsing pro in no time. With a little practice, you'll find that your online experience becomes much more efficient and enjoyable. So next time you find yourself drowning in a sea of tabs, remember, bookmarks and tabs are your allies. Tame the browser beast and take control of your digital world.
Tip number 3. Outsmart the information overload. Evaluate, don't just absorb. Not everything you read online is true. It's important to be a smart internet user and evaluate the information you come across. Look for reliable sources. Check multiple websites. Don't believe everything you read. Be a web detective and separate fact from fiction.
Tip number 4. Don't be a sitting duck. Protect your privacy online. The internet can be a dangerous place if you're not careful. Protect yourself, create strong passwords, and don't share them with anyone. Be careful what information you share online, and always be aware of your surroundings. Stay safe out there.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it. It's time to put your new skills to the test. Choose one of the tips we've learned today and try it out. Maybe you can practice your keyword searches or organize your bookmarks. The important thing is to keep practicing. The more you use these tips, the more confident you'll become online.
Conquer the digital world. Congratulations, Internet Explorer. You've learned some valuable skills today. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool. Use it wisely, and it can open up a world of possibilities. So go forth and conquer the digital world. Pause 1S. Practical tips for the digital age. Before we wrap up, let's dive into some practical tips that can make your online experience even smoother. Practical tip 1. Use keyboard shortcuts to navigate the web faster. For example, use Ctrl plus T to open a new tab and Ctrl plus W to close the current tab. These simple shortcuts can save you a lot of time and make your browsing more efficient. And that's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey to conquer the digital world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Practical tip 2. Use browser extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Extensions like ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools can save you time and keep you safe online. Ad blockers help you avoid annoying ads and speed up your browsing. Password managers securely store your passwords and autofill them when needed, making logging in quick and easy. Productivity tools like to-do lists and note-taking extensions can help you stay organized and focused. With the right extensions, you can customize your browser to fit your needs perfectly. So explore the extension store of your browser and discover tools that can make your online life easier and more efficient. Practical tip 3. Regularly clear your browser cache and cookies to improve performance and protect your privacy. This can help speed up your browsing and prevent tracking by websites. Every time you visit a website, your browser stores pieces of information, like images and data, to help load pages faster in the future. However, over time, these files can accumulate and slow down your browser. By clearing your cache, you can free up space and ensure your browser runs smoothly. Clearing cookies is equally important. Cookies are small files that store data about your browsing habits. While they can be useful for keeping you logged in on websites and remembering your preferences, they can also be used to track your online activity. Regularly deleting cookies helps protect your privacy by removing this tracking data. To clear your cache and cookies, go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and select the option to clear browsing data. Choose the time range and the types of data you want to delete, and then click Clear. Make this a regular habit, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your browsing speed and privacy. So take a moment today to clear your cache and cookies and enjoy a faster, more secure online experience. Practical tip 4. Enhance your browsing experience with extensions that offer features like ad blocking, password management, and translation. Practical tip 5. Use social media platforms to connect with people, share information, and discover new content. Engage with communities and follow relevant pages. Don't forget about offline resources like libraries and bookstores. They offer a wealth of information and can be valuable for research or leisure. And if you ever get lost, just remember these tips. Happy surfing. If you're looking to boost your tech skills, be sure to like, share, hit subscribe, and explore our other videos on topics ranging from basic computer skills to web design. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out the links below to learn more about our services, digital products, online courses, and how you can support our cause. We value your feedback. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.